welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about some tips and tricks to help get your kids motivated to clean. I'm a mother of 3 children. Yes, one of them is a baby, but still I know the battle of every day trying to get your kids to clean up their messes. Okay, first comes the tip. If you want your kids to clean, you have to teach them. Children learn by example. We all know that. So if you say, go clean up that mess, they don't know that concept. They're like, what? No, I can't. What? It's too hard for them to understand. They need to see you doing it so that it teaches them, okay, this is how I clean this up. This is how I do it. This is where things go. Again, children learn by example. Here comes trick number 1. If you have smaller children, I would say that this works best between ages 3 and 8. Get out your iPhone or whatever phone you have and turn on your time lapse. Set it up, press record, and then record your kids cleaning up. To know that they're being recorded and that they get to watch this video that they've just made about themselves, my kids go bananas. This has been the best trick I have found for my children. They absolutely love it. Okay, trick number 2, 3, I don't know, I forgot. Okay, this trick is a sticker chart. If you have a child that works really well on reward-based systems, that if they do this, they will get this, this works great. You basically just have your jobs that you want your kids to do. You have them set on a chart. Ours works best on the fridge. And then for every time they do their job or their task, they get a sticker. And then at the end of the day or at the end of the week or at the end of the month, whatever you decide, they get a reward. This one you have to be really careful with, because if you're not truly consistent with this, then the behavior isn't really being learned. And so you have to just be really careful with this. Another thing is that instead of stickers, you can also do marbles. Like we've done a marble jar before. That actually was super great. Worked really well, except now we have a baby, so I just didn't want marbles around. Again though, the sticker chart or marble jar, whichever one of those you like, those work really great too. I think the most important thing to know and to remember is that kids need to feel loved, they need to feel cherished, and so when they do these jobs or when they do pick up after themselves, praise them, because the feeling that they get afterwards, they'll want that feeling again. Anyways, those are just a few tips and tricks on trying to motivate and get your kids to clean up their messes. I really hope you guys liked this video. Like it, subscribe if you want. There will be more coming, probably 3 times a week, so have a great day!